Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of auto-back problem on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will enter. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.